Hello friends, today we are going to solve substring matching pattern. If s* is not in P, then simply return s equal P. Now let's split P by split method. So P dot split by s*. So now left equals splitted P of 0. Right will be splitted P of 1. So now left index equals s dot find left, and we'll check if left index equal -1, that is it is not in the s, then we'll simply return false. Similarly, we will check for right index. So right index equals s dot find right, comma, start will be length of left plus left index till the end. Now we will check if right index equal -1, then we will simply return false. In the end, simply return true. Oh god, we didn't catch it earlier. We should write it as LFT instead of LEFT. Okay, now let's check proficiency of our code. Okay friends, see you later. Bye bye.